We live in the rapidly changing age of technology. Your creativity and ideas need to be realized through working products. Gigatek is able to satisfy the diversity of customers' needs. As an expert electronic manufacturing services provider, Gigatek offers superior technical capabilities and services. Gigatek enhances its strength through continuous improvement and provides reliable total solution manufacturing services. Gigatek can meet the production technology needs for various electronic product applications. A dedicated team with professional skills and enthusiastic service. Gigatek is able to serve production requirements ranging from high mix, low volume to high volume, and able to effectively manage costs to increase competitiveness. Providing manufacturable solutions to help customers reduce costs. Gigatek offers professional technical services using advanced equipment to put manufacturing workmanship standards into practice. Rapid and punctual delivery that meets customers' expectations, achieving the goal of creating a win-win situation. Gigatek has established a smart factory in order to fulfill both your and our own expectations. With the visualized dynamic information of the MES system, our manufacturing arrangement has increased flexibility. Under strict ISO quality management, Gigatek supervises your product step by step during manufacturing. Gigatek focus on continuous improvement in product quality, environmental protection, and occupational health and safety. Actively serve customers in various industries, including commercial, industrial electronics, automotive electronics, medical devices, and so on. Gigatek has implemented HSPM and GPMS to fulfill the green product requirement for shipping. Gigatek is committed to corporate social responsibility and sustainable development. Achieve net zero CO2 emissions. Your best partner of EMS, Gigatek. Hand in hand. Let's work together and move forward.